Welcome to our channel, Come Draw With Us. Today we are going to draw this adorable Snoopy in Woodstock print. Start your sketch with simple shapes for the doghouse. Next we want to sketch out Snoopy. So you're going to sketch out 3 circles, one for the head, the stomach, and the feet. Now we just want to refine the sketch by adding some shape to the head and then just drawing lines to connect the head, stomach, and feet as shown. When you connect the stomach to the feet, just make sure that that line is a little bit lower than his neckline. When you start sketching his feet, just make sure to keep them at a slight angle. We're just going to add a little bit of detail to our sketch. Go ahead and add the collar. We're going to draw his arm with just a straight line and then an angle and then a half circle, and draw a couple of lines for his paw prints, both his hands and his feet. You can draw his eye like he's sleeping. And then for his ear, just draw kind of a large teardrop shape. And then let's go ahead and sketch little Woodstock on Snoopy's belly. Just draw a few small circles and shapes for the outline of Woodstock's body, and then we'll go ahead and add in the details in a bit. To finish up the sketch, just go ahead and add some squiggly lines for the grass. Now we want to create a new outline, so reduce the opacity of your sketch, add a new layer, and then use an inking pen of your choice. I used the ink bleed pen, and go ahead and trace over your sketch to just refine all of the detail. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and add a new layer underneath your outline, changing your outline layer to a reference, and then go ahead and just drag and drop your color. Because Woodstock is so tiny, we just have to color him in individually. The last detail for our drawing is to just write the word Snoopy up above. So using the color black and using the ink bleed pen, just go ahead and write Snoopy. And here is your finished project. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching.